In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add WhatsApp to Google My Business. Connecting WhatsApp to your Google Business profile is a great way to make it easier for customers to contact you instantly. Instead of having to call or fill out a form, they can just tap a link and start a WhatsApp chat with your business right away. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and by the end, you'll have your WhatsApp link showing on your profile. First, open your browser and go to Google. In the search bar, type the exact name of your business, the way it appears on your Google Business profile. Make sure you're signed in with the Google account that manages your business listing. When your business appears in the search results, you should see a management panel at the top of the page with several options. In that panel, look for the option that says Edit Profile and click on it. This will open a pop-up window that allows you to update your business information directly from the search results without going into a separate dashboard. Inside this pop-up, you'll see different tabs for your business details. Find and click on the Contact tab. This section controls how customers can reach you, including your phone number, email, and website. Now look for the Website area within the Contact tab. Click on Website, and it will expand to show a text field. Normally, this is where you would add your main website address, but you can also place your WhatsApp link here so customers can open a chat with you. To do this correctly, you'll need a proper WhatsApp link. A common format is to use the official WhatsApp click-to-chat URL, followed by your full phone number with country code and no special characters. For example, https://me followed by your country code and number. Prepare that link in advance, then paste it into the website text field. Once your WhatsApp link is in the field, double check that there are no spaces and that the number is correct. When you're happy with it, click Save at the bottom of the pop-up. Google may take a short time to process your changes, but usually it updates fairly quickly. And that's it. You've now added your WhatsApp link to your Google Business profile, making it much easier for customers to start a conversation with you directly from Google Search.